Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I got a lot of requests to do a video on how I do my hair, so here's a tutorial on my regular hairstyle. First, brush out your hair, making sure it's not free. I use a wooden comb to smooth my hair and fringe. This hairstyle works best with clean hair. Use the end of the comb to separate your hair into 2 layers. If you have thicker hair, you can have more layers. Tie or pin up the top layer. My hair is very straight and fine, so I'm using a heat protecting spray / holding spray. Hold the can about a ruler's length from your head and lightly spray. This reduces heat damage and frizz and helps the style last longer. Using a straightener, separate a piece of hair, start at the middle and clamp the end. Slowly roll it inwards and hold. As soon as your hair feels warm, let it go. I find the best way to do this is to not go too tight or a quick little shake. Continue for the rest of the layer. Undo the upper layer after the lower layer is done. Using a comb, carefully brush only the top layer until tidy. Use the spray on the upper layer as well. Repeat the curling on the upper layer, making sure it is equal or slightly shorter than the lower layer. The purpose of the 2 layers is to add dimension and volume, as well as making sure the whole head is curled. Once the basic curling is done, take a smaller portion of hair, curl close to the root, and then I randomly pick whether I want to curl that part inwards or outwards, tight or wispy. This makes it look cuter and a bit more fluffy and natural. Before curling my fringe, I'm combing it so it sits where I would like it. How much you curl here depends on the length of your fringe. My advice is, not too much and be quick. For a little more volume, hairspray parts near your roots and spray the curls. This is important if you have flat hair like me. And we're done! I hope you enjoyed and you can use this tutorial. This hairstyle is pretty simple and versatile, so you should try it out. Thanks for watching, bye bye!